This is the sixth lecture of physics for class 12th student, and in this lecture we will discuss about electric field. That is very important topic because this topic is utilized in derivation of many concepts and the property of electric field lines. Now first, electric field. Yeah, the concept of electric means what? Where the electric charge is, and field means the region. The region means the space in which the field related force can be experienced. Suppose this is a positive charge and the region here surrounded by this positive charge in which electric force can be experienced. Suppose here test charge. Test charge means unit magnitude. Unit magnitude, and always having positive nature here. So whenever in the region of this positive charge a test charge is held, then a force acting on this test charge, that is electrostatic force, because the value of this charge is plus q, and whenever a test charge held in the region in which electric force can be experienced, then the force here, which nature? This is positive, and here also magnitude unit with a positive character. Then repelling force. This unit test charge repelled by this source charge. Then the value of this force whenever divided by test charge, then we get the concept of electric field intensity at that point. Suppose this is the point O where the source charge Q is held, and this is point A. So electric field means the region or space around a source charge in which electrostatic force can be experienced by a test charge. That is what electric field, and the concept of electric field, that is E is equal to electric field intensity or electric field electrostatic force whenever divided by test charge. This is the concept of electric field or electric field intensity. The unit of electric field, that is Newton, force unit, and charge unit Coulomb. So about electric field, very simple concept. The region or space around a source charge in which electrostatic force can be experienced by a test charge, and whenever this test charge having same nature, then the force of repulsion will be experienced, and whenever different nature, it means if this one positive and this one if negative, then will be what? Attractive in nature. Then after this electric field, the next concept, the properties of electric field lines. Properties of electric field lines. Number one property, electric field lines are continuous line. It means if a single positive charge and a single negative charge having Then continuous. In case of positive, electric field lines moving outwards. But in case of negative charge, electric field lines moving inwards. The first property, electric field lines, EFL, representing by smooth continuous line. And second, electric field lines, that is EF, electric field lines starting from positive charge plus VE means positive charge, and indirect minus V means negative charge. Let's see, this is positive charge and this one is negative charge. Then electric field lines starting from positive and indirect is negative. Always remember, positive means whenever positive charge, then electric field lines moving outwards, and whenever negative charge, then electric field lines moving inwards. And the third point, whenever two similar charges held together, two similar means either both positive charges or both negative charges, then they repel each other. And repel concept here explained by lateral pressure. Explained by lateral pressure here. Very simple concept or diagram. In case of positive, always outsides in both positive charges. In case of negative, always inside. That is towards the negative charge. And whenever in second case, those are knowing when positive negative, then emerging are starting from positive charge and indirect a negative charge. This is the concept of lengthwise contraction. Then there is a chance of attraction between two unlike charges, and here laterally pressure. Whenever developed between two charges, then there is a concept of repulsion, and repulsion always in like charges, either two negative charges or two positive charges. But in case of contraction, there is a concept of attraction, and here attraction means unlike charges. This is the third property. Whenever two like charges held together, then they exert laterally pressure on each other, and when they exert laterally pressure on each other, then there is a concept of repulsion. And repulsion means what? It means the charges are like, yeah, either two negative negative or positive positive. Then after third, the next property of electric field lines. No two electric field lines intersect each other. In other words, you can say that electric field lines never intersect each other. It means if this is electric field lines and this one is also electric field lines, if this concept is given, this is what? Wrong. Suppose if they intersect, then at the point of intersection there will be what? Two direction, and that is impossible. So after this fourth, last one, fifth concept, the tangent at any point on electric field lines. Tangent at any point on electric field lines gives the concept of electric field direction. Electric field, except all these 5 points. That are the properties of electric field lines. Another property that is very important and always asking board examination: why the electric field lines never forming closed loop? Well, earlier you just saw when the positive and negative charges, then positive from charge emerging and indirect negative. It means no chance of further going from negative to positive. It means never forming closed loop. And what is the reason behind this concept? Why electric field line never forming closed loop? There is only one concept. Either you can explain in the terms of conservation of charge. Suppose if positive charge effect move towards negative charge, and further if negative charge effect move towards positive charge, then the total effect of positive and negative charges neutralize each other. It means the conservation of charge that violates. It means does not lie. That's why electric field line never forming closed loop. So that's all for today. Thank you.